Hello, DIY enthusiasts and resin artists. Today we're diving into the world of Promise Epoxy Resin Kit, a top-notch choice for your creative projects with its crystal clear, UV-resistant, and food-safe properties, perfect for everything from tabletops to jewelry making. With a simple 1-to-1 mixing ratio, this kit is ideal for both beginners and seasoned crafters, ensuring a hassle-free application process. Say goodbye to uneven surfaces with our self-leveling epoxy, which guarantees a sleek, high-gloss finish on bar tops, craft tables, and countertops. Designed to be water-resistant and durable, this epoxy resin protects your art and home decor from moisture damage, keeping your projects in pristine condition for years to come. Proudly made in the USA, Promise Epoxy brings over 40 years of expertise in resin craftsmanship, ensuring you receive a product that stands out in quality and performance. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or incorporating mica powder, silicone molds, or alcohol ink, this versatile epoxy resin is your go-to solution for flawless clarity and sophisticated results. Unleash your creativity and elevate your projects with the Promise Epoxy Resin Kit, where quality and innovation meet to bring your artistic visions to life. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.